Okay.
Steady on. Okay. Okay, do it.
Okay, Maisie.
Number. Okay.
Maisie, do you have?
Add 8. Okay. What do you do next?
Divide by 2.
Okay. Subtract the number. Yeah. 4. Do it again. Okay. Then go number. Okay. Add
14. 14.
Hold on, what was my number? Oh, okay. Okay. You doubled it? Yes. Add, I'm going to do a different one. Add 15. Okay. Divide by 2. Yeah. Subtract your original number. Oh, yeah.
8.
No. Yes. No. You did it wrong.
You did it wrong. What does your number start with? What was your number to start with?
4.
4. Double it is 8.
Oh, wait, maybe it was 2. Okay. Now, do a hard number.
Like a 3-digit number.
I've been doing 3-digit numbers. No, you haven't.
You just did 2.
She did 400 and it worked.
I'll do.
Cameras can't read lips, maybe.
I just know what you said. I wrote your jaw moved.
I didn't even see that.
I got it. Alright.
Oh.
Okay. Are you still recording this?
Yeah?
Alright. Put it on Facebook.
I'm going to put it on Facebook. Maisie doing math.
Just name it, pick a number.
Add 24. Okay.
Maisie can do math.
Divide by 2. Need a calculator?
Yes.
Oh, no. Yes. You need...
I'm recording.
Molly, can I have one, please? I think I did the wrong... Oh, wait, no. Okay.
Did you get your number, Maisie?
Right.
Show.
Divide or subtract the original number. 4. No.
Maisie.
Oh. 12.
She beat the calculator.
Negative 88. You did it.
You can't use a negative number.
Fine. Let's do it again with the calculator. Alright. Make
Okay.
a number. Double it. Add 30.
I don't think Maisie can do that.
I did it.
Use a calculator.
Divide by 2. Subtract the original number.
It's going to be 15.
15. How? Do you know how we do it?
No idea.
It's madness.
I have no idea.
What you add to it.
Good job, Maisie. I'm so proud of you.
You got it.
Once I do add 30, so it's halfway. Wait, so the original number is half what you add?